In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create PNG designs in Canva for free. You can sell them to make money on Etsy and other marketplaces like Creative Fabrica, Design Bundles, or your own website. So, let's jump right in. Before we get into the tutorial, here is an example of a bestseller PNG design on Etsy that is selling for $2.99. This seller used some creativity and simple text to create a money-generating design. Here is another example of a trendy PNG design. This one is related to Christmas. Using a tool called Everbee, I can see this is a new listing. This PNG has only been active for about 1 month, has already been favorited 43 times, has sold a total of 76 times so far, and has bought in $152 already. It may not seem like a lot, but imagine if you have a bunch of PNG designs in your own Etsy shop bringing in reoccurring passive income at the same time. I will leave a link in the description for the Etsy product research tool that I used to find out this information. Now let me show you how easy it is to create your own PNG files to sell for free using Canva. First, log into your Canva account. If you don't have a Canva account, then you can sign up for free using your email address. Click on the Create a Design button, then go to Custom Size. I'm going to make my dimensions 2700 by 2025 pixels. Now that I have my blank canvas to work on, decide on the type of PNG to make. For today's video, I'm going to make a PNG in the teaching niche. On the left-hand side, I'm going to click on Elements and look for some graphics that are within the teaching niche. I actually think this apple is really cute. So I'm going to use this. The next thing I'm going to do is add some text. On the left-hand side, click on the text button. Retro designs are in right now, so I want to use a retro font. A popular retro font that I like to use is called, I think it's Nectarine. There it is. Under Canva licensing, you are not allowed to sell graphics directly out of Canva and then upload them for sale on another platform. You have to change something about it. You can make it unique by adding your own text or combining different graphics together. For this one design, I'm going to add some text with the word teach. And I think I'm gonna put teach with love. Now, I think that making the text different colors will make it look more fun. One thing I like about Canva is when you see that line in the middle, it lets you know that your design is centered. And guys, it's that simple. You can go back and add more elements if you want to make this design even more unique, or I could sell it as it is. When you have your design the way you want, go up to the Share button and click on Download. Then select PNG and download your design. One thing I will mention is that people normally sell their designs with a transparent background. This way people are able to use their PNG on mugs or t-shirt designs and not worry about the white background. A lot of people may not know they can use a background remover. They assume there will already be a transparent background. Unfortunately, in Canva, in order to download a design with a transparent background, you need to have a Canva Pro membership. I will leave a link down in the description below that you can use to try Canva Pro free for 30 days. You can also use a website called erase.bg that will allow you to use their background remover tool for free. Once you have your PNG file downloaded, you can just upload it to your Etsy shop or any online store that you use to sell on. You can also sell your designs on platforms like Creative Fabrica or Design Bundles. These are very popular platforms and have lots of people searching for PNG designs. I hope that you found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.